Let's assemble a French fry box. The first thing I did was snag the template and designed it to my liking. I have both the French fry and the burger box printed, but I'm going to put the burger box to the side for now. As you're assembling, two things you want to pay attention to are the slits that's within the French fry box, as well as the dotted lines. This is going to tell you everywhere that you need to make a crease as well as to fold. As you can see, here's a close-up of what the dotted lines look like. This makes it super easy for you to be able to make all of your folds. The dotted lines come with the template, so you don't have to do anything special. Once you cut with your desired cutting machine, such as a Cricut, then you automatically have all of the lines included to be able to make the perfect fold. Now I'm going to speed up the video as I do the folds just to show you guys exactly how I fold each part. Again, you want to make sure that you fold across all of the different dotted lines. The last part of the folding is the center. This one has more of a curve kind of dotted line, so I'm going to show you exactly what I do. I like to take my pointing finger and just put it behind where the crease is before I do the folding. This is going to give it a little bit of pressure so that when you do the folds, you can keep the curve motion as well as the correct form for the French fry box. Once you're done with all of your folding, you should end up with something like this. Now it's time to put it together. Something to keep in mind is that the French fry box is a glueless assembly, but you can add glue to the different parts on the inside if you choose to, for more security. This flap here goes on the inside, so you're going to want to make sure that you put it on the inside, as you see me doing here. And then take all of your other little tabs and slide them right into the slits that we talked about earlier, just as you see me doing here. You're going to do this with all 4 tabs that's included in the template, making sure that you press down firmly throughout the process. All right, and you should end up with something like this. Make sure that you press down the bottom part, and voila, your completed French fry box. How adorable did this turn out? This design is also available as a template. This is our Confetti coffee template that you can find in our Party Favorite template library, as well as so many more blank Party Favorite templates and designs to make creating party favors a breeze.